The video. What up? So I just got my giant Patagonia order in this evening, over $1,000 worth of product, and we're going to be going through a haul today. I'm not going to be trying it on, but I'm going to be showing it to you guys just to go through it, and let's see if you like it. I already know I like some of it, so we can get right into it right now. First off, some boxers. Pretty snazzy, I might say. Some fish flopping design. These are the 6-inch men's essential boxer briefs. My dog is also going to be in this video as well. She's going to be helping me look at the product. She's the smell tester. It smells good. Smells good. Oh, taste tester too. Hey, this is expensive stuff. You guys know. So next, let's get into it. It's a big box we got here, so we got a lot of stuff to get through. I'm not trying to spend 10 minutes here like those other YouTubers, you know. Keep it real. Another pair of boxers. If I can get it open. Keep these just in case I need a return. These are the 3-inch. I wanted to get a little variety, just so I can make sure to test it all out. Test out the waters. Jump right in the water. These bad boys. It's like a little buffalo majiggy. I don't even know what that is. I thought it was a buffalo. Yeah. 6-inch, 3-inch. How many inches are you? JK, I don't want to know. Okay. Ooh, Maya. Better get excited for these ones. These are for our walks. I want to get a nice, like, winterized kind of pants, you know? So I got these trail pants, size 32. I got the short version, so apparently that's an inseam of 29. And I got the gray and black version here. And I just wanted, like, the gray and black, because the colorway is pretty sick. It'll go with anything. And yeah, this just looks durable. It looks a bit different than I thought it would. Feels different than I thought it would. But, like, you know, it's quality. I don't think this is part of their hemp line, but I like it so far. I'll have to try it on and then let you guys know what it's all about.
Remote start on the available Carnet app. The redesigned
Why, what are you
2022
doing?
T1.
She's excited. She's like, what's going on? What is going on, bro? What is going on? Okay, next. I really need to open this fully. I just got some daily crew socks. Not crew, actually. These are just like ankle. But apparently they got Swiss Tech. I don't know what that means. Oh, they are crew. Here, I'll open it. If I can. I didn't get scissors. Smooth move on my part. Okay. I'm ripping. Full out crazy mode. See, like, Swiss Tech, whatever that means. Scan to learn more if I want. Pretty dope. It says Patagonia on the toe. Damn, these look small though. I got a large, so they should fit me. 9 to 12. They are crew. I thought the crew would be longer, but yeah, these look sick, honestly. Moist wickening, all day comfort. Oh my god, Maya. People don't want to listen to you going crazy over there. Come in the video. Come. Up. Come. What do we got next? What should we show them next? Okay, I got the small pouch here to organize my traveling essentials whenever I'm traveling or camping or anything like that. The small pouch. Next. Bing bada boom. More boxers. Yes. Next, more boxers. What are these ones, though? These are just just the normal boxers, and they're medium, regular fit. And apparently I got them in black. I thought I got them in a color, but black works too. Nothing wrong with black, honestly. These ones I already have. I've purchased them before. They're just like the loose boxers. They're really comfortable. Yeah. We'll look at the box more in a bit. I just want to see the products. I'm not going to go through it now. Waste of time. But I love how everything's like very recyclable. Very like ethical. I love that kind of stuff. He's really wilding out right now. Damn, I got so much stuff. Right here, I got the Tech Web Belt. What's it called? In a blue colorway. I needed a nice belt, and this one, it'll be good for like the trail pants too. Look at that. Looks pretty good quality, honestly. It doesn't really say anything on the label, so I don't remember what the materials were. To go with the trail attire, we got a trail tee. This one's supposed to be super durable, like non-rip, like rip resistant, I mean. So like when I'm out for like a nice trail walk in the summer, this should do the trick. I hope it fits, honestly. Oh my god. Okay, that was actually the medium pouch over there. This is the small pouch. I thought the small pouch was way bigger, but this is literally the size of my hand. Like, this is like a change purse. I did not think they were this small. Damn. Well, I do often have a lot of change. Next, more socks. These are the blue ankle socks. They're called the merino, lightweight merino performance sock. They're just kind of like ankle socks. And Patagonia on the toe. Look pretty durable. Next, I got this towel for the summer. I wanted like a nice, good quality towel. So I saw this one on the website and I was like, kind of like the colors, and I messed with it, you know? So we got the logo just in the corner. I actually really like this patchwork logo, the patch logo they put on here. And then the towel, as you can see on like, it's striped on the one side, so it kind of opens up into this cool, colorful fabric. Pretty big and soft, like, dang, I like this a lot, actually. There we go. You will help me with the rest. You take over, Maya. JK. Okay, let's keep it going. Let's keep it moving. Boo, boo, boo. Boo, boo, boo. Oh! I'm actually confused what this is. The Micro D Gator. I thought it was freaking back ordered. Wow. Well, I guess this is it. Oops. So we got the Micro D Gator. Kind of like a neck protector. Which is pretty snazzy. In black here. Bam, bam. I got this pom-pom tube because I've never owned a pom-pom tube for myself, and I like this colorway. Honestly, I thought it was more like orangey in the pictures, but it actually looks a lot different online. But it's pretty cool too. It should go with some outfits. Yeah, I definitely thought this one looked a lot different. But it's a nice, like, wool hat, though, so. And it's nylon. So, yeah, I don't know if it's no, it's not reversible. That would have been cool. Except as a pom-pom. T-shirt. I really like this one. I wanted to get the wolf one, but I settled with the bear. Ooh. See, it's this bear on a black shirt. Very, very soft. And a very nice textile design on it. Okay. Bam, bam. Over here, oh, this is the cashmere scarf. I'm very excited for this one. This is for the walks for sure, also. And it'll go with those pants, too. I thought this was going to be bigger. Like, it's so weird, the sizing and, like, everything is just much different when you actually see it in person. But this is, like, as soft as you can get. Cashmere. But it's so much smaller than I thought. Like, this is tiny. She likes the smells of all these things. New smells. Ooh, blue item. This is the sweater! I really, really, really love their hemp line. Like, some of my favorite products. Quality and, like, comfort all around. So I got another one of their sweaters. Oh my god, what the heck? It's so much smaller than the large. Because I usually get large, so I was like, oh, I'll get a medium this time, but this is small. I'm going to have to try it on, but if it's fitted, that'll be good. I just won't ever dry it. That's usually the key with all my clothing. I never dry it. I want it to stay as true to fitting as possible. Here, I'll open this too. I want it to stay as true to fitting as possible and last as long as possible. It's kind of nice when you dry it though, because it does get like kind of softer over time, which is a nice feature of the hemp and organic cotton, but I prefer longer lasting, and I prefer the sizing to stay the same, because I usually buy like very true to size. Like, I want it to fit how I like it, which is a little bit baggy. I like my clothing a bit big. Tight fitting is just like, I don't know, maybe I'm claustrophobic or something. So this is like their responsibility tees or something like that. They're made with water bottles, I think, and like all kind of fair trade, ethical material. Sorry, I kind of zoned out there for a second. This also looks much more different than I thought. It's just kind of a plain white tee, but I love it still. Oh my gosh, what is she doing? Got this long sleeve tee. I really was excited for this one too. I hope the medium, yeah, the medium will definitely, yeah. For the long sleeves, medium fits fine. Oh, and it's not embroidered for the little weed leaf. I thought it would be an embroidered logo, but that's okay. I really like the tan color either way. And the hemp line, like I was saying, some of my favorite products. So, shouts out to that. Shouts out to Patagonia for that. And here is the last item out of the box. See? We got all of these items we went through for a total of around $1,000. I had a discount also, so that helped. Saved me a couple $100, but you know, still like over $1,000 worth of product. That's a lot of stuff. This is apparently one of those like beach tote bag thingies. This thing is way bigger than I thought. Holy crap. This thing is ginormous for the beach. But still, you know? A very nice bag. It can be adjusted into... Oh yeah, it has the backpack straps on it too. Oh, I thought it adjusted into it. Oh well. Still very cool. Bigger than I thought. But I mess with it. It's nice. And the purple too. This will be a very nice bag for the beach. It'll fit everything I need. My new towel. My swim trunks. Drinks. Some stuff for Maya, of course. Too bad she's not here to say goodbye, but, you know, there will be more of her to come. If you want more videos like this, let me know. If you want more videos of my plants behind me, let me know. If you want more videos of my fits, let me know. Anything, let me know. We are down for anything, and it's just the beginning. So like and subscribe, get ready for anything, get ready for everything, and all of you out there can do anything as well. So don't even stress, don't even worry about a thing. Thank you for making it this far. If you even made it this far, leave a comment that you made it this far. And I hope you guys live your dreams, and I hope you guys get a nice car, and we all gonna live good. Aight, deuces, peace out.